Hello.
Hello.
Hello there.
Good evening.
Good evening. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. How about you?
I'm from India. Why are you holding a seesaw?
Nothing.
Are you doing something? Like a
No, I'm
okay,
cutting
okay.
this paper.
Oh wow. Are you gonna create something like something an
Consent?
artwork?
Nothing.
Okay.
Pasal ini dago na punya atong ilong ano ton?
What do you mean?
Nothing.
You're saying something. What is that?
My nose is bleeding now because I don't understand English.
No, no, you're good. Asa dapit ka ba kag Bisaya?
Ay talibang naghagjong buti ni. Ako may naila daning kaliribang
Asa dapit taga ka.
nagabuhol. Yawa.
Uy, yatot taga Bohol ko.